A great day to you. So 3 best multi-channel e-commerce software and tools. Let's go. The first one is called Link My Books, and it's going to help you connect your eBay, TikTok shop, Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, Walmart seller account to Xero or QuickBooks for accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot. Basically, it's e-commerce bookkeeping and accounting software. In the description, you're going to find a free trial of Link My Books with a discount coupon code that helps you save 50% off for 3 whole months. And also you'll find a tutorial with the founder, Daniel Little, that shows you how to use Link My Books from A to Z. The second option I have for you is Sellerboard. Sellerboard is profit analytic and inventory management tool for e-commerce sellers, especially for Amazon and Shopify sellers. In the description, I have 2-month free trial of Sellerboard for Amazon sellers as well as for Shopify sellers, and videos that show you how to use Sellerboard for Amazon from A to Z, and another video that shows you how to use Sellerboard for Shopify from A to Z. And the third option I have for you is Helium 10, also great software for e-commerce sellers, especially for Amazon sellers and Walmart sellers. In the description, free trial of Helium 10 with the best discounts and a tutorial that shows you how to use all the parts of Helium 10. Let's go.